recording immediately. So
What are you guys recording
it's my
for?
first game.
Funsies to look back on and say, hey, we did really well. in
Film
bets.
study. You know, you gotta study film and then.
Nice. But they have a fucking
By the way, Frigid, this is Duva. Duva Frigid.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Frigid's the tank we found last night that just wrecked shit with us.
Dude, they picked me up out of the cardboard box.
Widow or Genji.
Widow's almost dead.
Oh, come on.
Ryan dead.
Ooh, Frigid, be careful, you're discorded. And pocketed really well. Okay.
What?
Oh my
Alright,
god.
well,
Oh
Ryan's
my
dead.
god, I almost died. Oh, we have a Genji. Fucking Christ. Thank you, Noodle.
Nice res.
I have no idea where this Widow is.
She
I'm just,
just
like,
ran.
rambling.
She just flew away.
Sniper, be ready.
My
This has been
god.
a successful push.
I would have definitely benefited from warming up.
Help! Help!
He's stunned.
So bad.
Mercy. He's up top with Diva.
I'm squared.
Oh,
He's
shit.
stunned. He's one.
Mercy.
Where? What? Yep.
Oh, that's it. Is like 0.1 health.
Close in, so low.
Nice, Ryan. There you go.
I will lead us in victory.
They're all points. Damn it.
Where is this Widow? Got her.
I have my ulti when I'm back.
Alright, we can play this out. If someone else dies.
Огонь, поготовь.
Oh shit.
Oh,
That's fine, that's fine. They
young
just
trance. That's good. Alright. Genji top left.
Whoa!
He is one.
God. Reinhardt behind.
Ow?
Alright, that's the last fight.
Both healers are
Let's
dead.
back off. Yeah, back off.
Okay, we need to get the Mercy down. Everyone's so low, but they're getting
I am
pocketed.
still in the fight.
Like, I would have won that fight against her if it wasn't.
Sarah's gonna vacuum her out of this guy.
Sea of Shatter. I
I want to say he used it, but he's probably.
Do you guys want to go around this right side? Go up the mountain?
don't know. Stun. Speed. Ryan. Oh, there it is. Oh,
Okay.
dead.
Nice.
Alright, let's go.
Nice. Good job, Hydra.
Diva on point. Alright, Widow back right. Junk up top.
Nice job, guys.
Oh,
Why?
that was horrifying.
Alright, Dame, I'm gonna save dragons for you. They don't have. Oh, actually, they do have a Zenny.
Yeah,
Damage boost and it doesn't matter if they have a Zenyatta ult. Alternatively,
Beetle.
Reinhardt can swing into it, and it doesn't matter.
We'll be ready for damage boost on Hanzo.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh god. I was trying to
That's
time it to get through the button.
Shit.
Oh my god.
That was so fluky.
Junkrat left.
I've got grab. Reinhardt got res.
Dead.
Alright, let's back off. Can you peek out? Never mind.
Maximum charge.
I have a shadow whenever you guys want me to get it.
Alright, you don't need to waste your shield. Just get the tunnel.
Do listen when you're here.
I am getting attacked by Genji in the back.
That ult is gone.
Alright, press up.
God damn it.
You need to pop that.
I'm really
grass.
low, guys.
Right,
Why are we just sitting back here?
Yeah, we're not doing
I don't know.
We're waiting on Duva. Okay, are you ready? Cuba, you ready?
Yep, he's ready.
Payload.
Огонь, по готовности.
Mercy, Mercy. I got it behind us. She's one. She's one. Ah. Nice.
Genji's low. Genji's so low. Nice. Dead.
Diva, Diva.
Nice.
Alright, everyone gather up. Press up. Get this
Junk's
in,
up
Yana.
top. Junk's
Keep
top,
going,
guys.
keep going. We can get these kills. These are easy kills.
Guys, payload, payload.
60 seconds remaining.
Alright, wait for Diva to contest. Genji's probably
He's
gonna
up
ult.
top.
Got him. Alright, got Mercy.
Damn, Boosh, good
I'm not Zen.
Good job. Nice.
I haven't been healing much at all, honestly.
I haven't either.
I mean, I have, but you know, I'm like slaying it.
I've been pocketing
Give
you.
it a Winston.
Oh,
They have a
I'm
Winston?
in to fall.
Seriously?
Winston, yeah.
Why? Alright, no, no, no.
Genji,
there's a
I
man.
guess. I don't know.
Alright, game, I'm gonna.
Right.
I got Graf. You ready?
Yep.
Winston's in
Alright, they're not grouped up. I'll let you know when they are.
Nice, nice.
Tell me when.
There's only 3 of them here.
Yeah.
Let's wait. Okay, no.
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna die from this Genji. Nope. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Payload. Oh, I got hit.
Yeah. That's a reset. That's fine, we have
For God's
honestly,
sake.
let him die, yeah.
Yeah, just
It's
don't.
fine, we're good. We have 3 ults and, sorry, we have 4 ults.
Back ball.
We need to get the payload moving.
Oh man.
30 seconds.
They're too low.
Wait, Ryan, back up.
Yep. I'm like almost on shatter.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Alright, Ryan, push up.
Genji's behind us.
You ready? There's only Reinhardt here.
Yeah, they're playing separated. I help with
Winston behind?
Winston. We need to get on the payload.
No. Grab.
3 and Winston behind us.
Holy shit.
God, fucking Christ. Get on it.
Oh, that was so good.
He's passed. Oh my god. We're good. Oh, Moira's under the payload, guys.
Ryan behind y'all. Mercy behind y'all.
Oh, she's up.
Moira low. Mercy low.
Thank you, Needle.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Get on the payload.
Oh, no. Nice.
Cuba. Jeez.
Mercy. Genji. Reinhardt. He's half. Oh no.
This is not your time. Get in there. I'm even good.
Oh, nice.
Genji in that should be it.
Fuck! Just die.
We're almost at wombo combo.
Holy shit.
God.
Fucking die. Just get off.
7 minutes after time right now.
Sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Do you guys want to do the same thing, or?
I do not know.
Yeah, but don't hold on to Dragon Ball for so long. Like, if you see 2 or 3 people, just press Q.
Yeah, I mean, that last stretch, they were really spread out. It would have been like solo ulting, basically.
I mean,
Yeah, they
it would have
played that
been,
really well.
been worth it though to grab the Blading Genji. Cause he had a mercy pocket. You would have gotten 2 of them. You wouldn't have even had to use dragons either. You could have just killed both of them with just grab and then use dragon to push cart.
Yeah.
We're good. We won the game. Or the round at least.
Oh, we're gonna win the game.
Okay, we definitely are, but for how that started, it was kind of sketchy, and we got it, so.
I get a
Come on, guys. I know we have a Ryan.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Alright.
You guys want me to do the cheesy thing? I'll sit in that little thing over there and then charge them in.
Just don't die.
I'm not gonna do it. I don't
Yeah.
know this.
See through the dragons.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Tracer.
attackers incoming.
Let's start blending.
Enemies have
Stop the payload.
Fuck.
Res.
Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna back up to the gas station.
Widow's up top.
Widow's
We're just
one.
half. We're just half.
She's anti.
I need healing.
I just got
Okay.
stun locked.
They're gonna die of high ground. Watch out for it.
Tracer's one.
Yeah.
We might want
He's
some
asleep.
guys.
Mercy. Mercy's one. Mercy's one.
I'm going for it.
Nice.
Bridge on point.
Okay, Brigade. Come back. Let her go.
makes perfect.
That Widow's only going for me. She was like completely ignoring Noodle and just like trying to freaking.
Brig behind you.
Dude,
Bro,
that
I'm
Brig and
out.
I just emoted each other. Like a solid 15 times.
D.Va up top.
Heroes never die.
Widow's on the cliff side.
Brig low.
Okay. Keep just pocketing me.
D.Va.
Oh shit. I'm really far away
Alright,
from
Dame,
the
I'm
fight.
ready when you are.
Tracer's coming around
I'm at
back.
98.
Do whatever.
Winston.
He's one.
I think we're cleaning him up. I don't think.
Yeah, just save it.
Oh my god.
Oh, nice.
I don't go for you, Bridget.
Too
Bridget,
far.
so.
Too far.
Doom fist.
Got him.
Nice.
Alright, everyone get back.
Get in there. Don't hold back.
Dude, this is dumb. We're like so aggressive right now. I almost have another shatter.
Yeah, word.
Shatter like 10 seconds.
Widow above. fuck, Doom behind.
Doomfist behind. Oh, he got dope.
He's one. Idiot. Break.
Whenever you're ready, Dame. Hold on, I think we're good.
Do you? Okay.
Mercy is one.
If you guys want to use it, I have Shatter. So.
Winston. He's on top of the building.
They have a Reaper now. Fuck. No, don't try to get me. You guys might want to use it soon.
There's a Reaper on me. Reaper on me. I need help.
Get it.
Alright, whenever you're ready, Dame.
I'm running. I'm almost dead.
We're running out of time.
Mercy.
I'm dead again.
I need healing. I need help. Okay, I'm gonna die.
This is killing me.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, they switched to Reapers, so we need to.
Pick up the pace. We can do
We're
this.
fine. We just
We
need to
can
use our
honestly
ults.
contest it before we even.
You guys
Yeah.
can do it. You guys. I'll come back in.
Yeah, can anybody stall? Or do we lose it?
Yeah.
I can fire
can
the
get on
payload
it.
if you can.
Reaper.
The payload has reached.
Sniper, be ready.
Where's the Widow?
Top left.
Get in there.
Alright, Chris, are you ready? Do you want to do it now?
Oh god.
No.
Огонь по готовности.
Reaper. Get decked on. Frig. Sit down. Alright, everyone gather up.
We can play like in the
Winston?
hollows here.
Reaper.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh no. Get help Reinhardt.
This Widow's kind of problematic.
She's only focused on me, don't worry about her. I'm just dancing around and she's not hitting anything.
Reaper.
Nice. Oh my god, dude, I'm hitting these fire turrets right now.
Oh my god, freaking Winston, you chode.
Feed me.
Why are we holding?
This is low, dude.
I almost left grab again. This freaking Winston's feeding so hard.
I have dragons
Bastion.
ready.
He's done.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh, no.
Огонь по готовности.
Oh my lord.
Oh, it's the Reaper. In the middle of you guys.
Bastion.
You just killed him.
I'm at 20%. Jesus.
Bane.
They should not
This
have got
is-
that first point.
Yeah.
Brigitte in the back. Brigitte on me.
Maybe right now.
Whip that bitch.
They have a Bastion.
Yeah, they've had it. They're desperate.
Got him.
He's dead. Nice.
And it worked.
Can I get a res? Maybe.
Trying.
Oh fuck!
He's stunned.
I'm dead.
Almost a grab.
Mercy
I
stunned.
have my dragons again.
I'm 50. I'm 50 to shut.
That'll be the finisher. Grab dragon. Just back up a little bit. Give him a little space.
Okay.
Just be careful about the diva. She might eat it.
And the Bastion. Yeah.
Have you met me? Be careful, Frigid.
Yep. I know. I got it. Don't worry.
Dude, they're all grouped out. Chris, let me know when you're ready.
Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
Payload, no.
Please.
Огонь по готовности.
Oh, they're all dead. That's all of them.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Alright, diva should be it, right?
This is not your time.
Yeah, unless they can get.
Baby diva,
someone
baby
else
diva.
on here.
Nicely done.
Good game.
Hell of a
That's
recording.
fucking.
I played like